To use Noon credits for purchases, start by logging into your Noon account on the website or mobile app. Once logged in, navigate to the account section where you can view your available credits. Noon credits are essentially rewards that can be redeemed for discounts on your purchases. To use your credits, select the items you want to purchase and add them to your cart. When you proceed to checkout, you will have the option to apply your available credits to your order. You can choose to use all or some of your credits, depending on the amount you have and the total cost of your order. Keep in mind that Noon credits can only be used on eligible items and cannot be combined with other promotions or discounts. After applying your credits, review your order to ensure the discount has been applied correctly. You can then proceed to pay for the remaining balance using your preferred payment method. It is essential to note that Noon credits have an expiration date, so make sure to use them before they expire. You can check the expiration date of your credits in the account section of your Noon account. To get the most out of your Noon credits, it is recommended to use them on larger purchases to maximize your savings. Additionally, you can earn more credits by continuing to shop on Noon and taking advantage of their rewards program. By following these steps, you can easily use your Noon credits to make purchases and enjoy discounts on your favorite items. Remember to always check the terms and conditions of your credits to ensure you are using them correctly.